The CenterFinder will quickly and accurately mark center lines or offsets for shelving, cabinetry, dowelwork, door casing, window trim, and much more. Insert a standard number 2 pencil into its center hole. Place a board between its 2 posts. Rotate firmly, and scribe a perfectly centered line. It can mark the face or edge of any board up to 2.5 inches thick. Its offset notches are in 1/16 inch increments, allowing casing and trim reveals up to 5/8 of an inch. The metric model 8458 has 1mm offsets up to 20mm and can mark a center line on boards up to 65mm thick. When finished, conveniently store it on any metal surface with its built-in rare earth magnet. The CenterFinder will help you center and offset your projects faster and with perfect precision.